Hi, in this video, we introduce how to install Computecoin as a FlexiMining app onto your hotspot. Normally, we call Computecoin as a CCN. CCN is a Web3 decentralized services. It provide a lot of the apps running environments, and you can run different decentralized apps. And it's a promising Web3 crypto mining apps, so you can get rewards by sharing your COTX hotspot and resources and your network resources. So it's pretty lightweight. The app you can install and get passive income. So the first step you to install Compute Coin on your hotspot is to review the terms. And please be noted that Cortex had a agreement with our partner about CCN bonding pool, so we provide you easy to install. You don't have to worry about the stake. We take care of the stake, and bonding pool will help you to finish the stake and distribute the mining rewards. So that's why we share part of the mining rewards to bonding pool, and but the hotspot owners get the rest of the mining rewards. So the first step is you have to log into Cortex Hotspot Cloud Service, which is our cloud portal. Address is cortex-sg.io, so you can manage your wallet space in dashboard tab. Wallet space is just help you to organize your hotspots. And in hotspot tab, you can add your hotspots into your wallet space. In this case, there were two hotspots already being added. You can see there was two CCN instance already being installed, and you can check the status. This one is online and this one is offline because these are a testing environment. So if you check our menu, normally when you here's the our menu, user menu for FlexiMining CCN. So normally in the hotspot dashboard, if this is the first time you try to install CCN on your hotspot, there was a little shopping cart icon here, so you can just click this this shopping cart icon and to trigger the payment. Once you click this button, you can see the charge you one is this item is $10. This is a CCN flex money. Sorry, the CCN enablement fee, which is charged by CCN, not charged by Cortex. For Cortex, only we collect this money and pay to CCN because that's the one-time charge from CCN. For Cortex, we only charge you $3 per quarter. That means every month only charge you $1. So it's a very reasonable charge because we do provide you installation service, maintenance service, upgrade, and you can check the mining status through our cloud portal. So that's the charge from this $3 charge from Codex. So finish the payment, and when you go back to dashboard, you can see the status change. There was no shopping cart icon anymore. This color is gray. That means this one is ready to be installed, and this one is already being installed. So let's see this quick demo. So once you finished the payment and you click the CCN button, the system will pop up installation page, so you can check the menu, the terms, and the first step is click the install button. Once you click, the system will try to install the CCN app onto your hotspot. Once this step, it take a while, but once this finished, installation finished, then you can just click the next, and the next step is machine initialization, which is in the backend, the node will create a unique machine ID and register it to a CCN network. So it take a while and finish, then just click next. The step 3 is you have to create your e-wallet, AO e-wallet, and copy the your e-wallet address back here, just to link your CCN node to your e-wallet so you can collect the mining rewards. So to create a e-wallet here, in the menu you can see there is a link. You create the AO e-wallet, and please be noted that once you input your AO wallet address to your CCN installation page, you link them together, the node and your e-wallet address. You cannot change it anymore. So make sure you copy and paste the correct address to your installation page. So you just open the e-wallet creation uh, page. So here's the full instruction about how to start install the e-wallet address on your system. So in this example, we installed a web browser extension. It's a web browser extension on Chrome web browser. So that's the e-wallet, and you can open it and log in and copy the e-wallet address here by press this button. That's your e-wallet address, and copy this one and go back to your CCN installation page and paste here your wallet address here. Then click to complete. Then that's it. And now to this point, your CCN node already installed and linked to CCN network and wallet all set up. Next is the bonding pool. They have to do some setup and configuration. It takes several days and to finish whole process. And then you can see your rewards in bonding pool web page. But even now you cannot see your reward. Actually, your CCN node is running and you get reward during this waiting time. So it's still working. It start to mining for you. You just cannot see the rewards during these several days. So next is you can open the bonding pool. Here is the bonding pool link in our menu. You just click this bonding pool link, and you can see there are a lot of nodes being running. And if you click the My Stake tab, actually, if you already installed your wallet and the bonding pool finished their setup, now actually in this page you can see your mining rewards data. So if you check the menu, yeah, that give you the detailed information too. So all the links and reference. So for example, in this case, the wallet address already here. So if you click the stake, you can see the mining rewards. So that's pretty much all for install and check rewards for a Computecoin CCN. Thank you.